Good morning, chat. Whoa. Finally a break. Not the way I wanted it to go, but hmm. How are you guys doing with this price action? I can stab along here. Maybe it's a trap. Break even stop just because I just jumped in there. Nope. Can we go? It's kind of resisting that. Break even stops just aren't working right now. Too much volatility. I'm gonna take this trade again. And that's gonna be a loss. I should have bought the dip. Alright, second loss. I had a decent start to the morning, but now I just took a loss, so give it back. Having a hard time getting like 3 wins in a row. Only one account. Only one copy trader issue, guys. Copy trader issue. This is a problem right now. This is a big problem right now because I can't even flatten. There's no flatten button. Oh my god, copy trader issues. Fucking A, QUANTOWER. Second time today. Well, that was a big loss for thanks to QUANTOWER. I wonder if it's QUANTOWER or Rhythmic, but uh freaking rough 2 trades. The volatility is insane right now. I don't know. I might have to leave orders out. I don't think I could get in market. It's not copying the orders. I mean, I literally just got put into the short here instead of being long. Like, let's see now. What an annoying market today. I guess I just gotta hit market and not limit. Yeah, I'm running the latest version. Someone else messaged me that happened to them. I don't know. I'm just gunslinging right now. All right, gotta chill out a little bit. gonna chill out a little bit. Since I've been on stream, I just lost all my profit in 5 minutes. I was up 3 grand. Now I'm down 8 grand. But obviously I'm getting used to just seeing one account, so I'm okay with that. I think 30 tick stop loss is just way too tight. I think this streak's gonna end today because I would need to get 2 wins quickly because I can't trade past 12 o'clock because of work. I mean, maybe gotta retest the all-time highs. You've got to be kidding me, guys. This is gonna stop me out for sure, 100%. This is crazy. And I'm still long some accounts. I don't know what's going on. Some accounts are still long. I don't understand QUANTOWER today at all. Thanks, QUANTOWER. You were the best. I think I'm gonna switch to Sarah chart eventually because this is awful. But I think it's the volatility. You just can't keep up with the volatility. I know this is gonna reverse, so I'm not too maybe not, but maybe off the all-time highs. Long again. And stopped out again. Just can't get that bounce. All right, so accounts are getting hurt bad now, so I gotta be more careful. I don't want the gray account. I'm gonna take that off. Make sure new people are gonna tune in and think I blew up or something. So break even to I could call it a day, but I think I'm gonna call it a $1,000 loss per account. So I got 2 more trades. I don't know why I'm so long biased, but But see how it's like tricking you in? It's tricking you in, and you get in, and it gives you 30 ticks, and then stops you at break even. It's like, stop losses are killing me right now. This is a perfect scalping market, but definitely not letting winners run market. Why are the accounts gray? Like, Rhythmic is so stupid. We're gonna do this instead. I did so well in the morning, and I just gave it all back. Yeah, hourly doesn't look good. Hourly looks like it wants to dump. Oh, you guys can't even see that. Well, I could stop recording this session. I had a long bias today. I think that's what killed me. Okay, we need 3 wins in a row. The copy trade is all over the place. I mean, that's why the PNL is all over the place. It should be all exactly the same PNL, but the copy trader is awful today. It's not copy trading the orders. The brackets, that is. Maybe that's why Tradeaway doesn't allow it, because there's issues like that. Don't tell me we're just gonna V-shape. Of course. Of course, a V-shape. Now there's a V-shape, but when I was trying to do it, it wasn't there, and now there was no pullback to get in, like I always wait for. One pullback here I would have been in. Bastards. I mean, that's such a big move. I mean, come on, you gotta be kidding me that there's no pullback. That's exactly what I was that's what I wanted here. It's too early. Needed 2 legs down first. Surprised we didn't test the all-time high. Oh, this is crazy FOMO right now. Okay, it's pulling back now. See if we retest the lows again, make a double bottom, or nope. Damn, I keep getting stopped out. I can't even. I mean, thank God for stop losses. I mean, today would have been a blow up day. I mean, not really. I would have been scalped. Today would have been a good scalping day, but it would have been a really bad if I was doing manual stops, that is. Like, see, like why? I have to get back in. Like, why is this happening? And why are the orders taking forever to copy? Oh my God. I can't even. Oh, it's gonna say. Don't even tell me it's not gonna go this time. Well, guess it's not gonna go. I mean, come on, not to be able to get 10 points in your freaking direction is just sad in this volatility. All right, guys. Oh, I'm getting tilted. I breathe. Jesus Christ. Of course it's gonna go. I lost count of the break. Oh, now it goes. Jeez. That would have been the target. That would have been the target. And we would have been down only like 400 bucks. Hopefully he gives me a good... I need good trades, like 3 in a row right now. Not right now, but like today. And we'll be right back in it. That's why using stop losses with positive risk to reward kind of helps. Yeah, this is my worst day in a long time. This is my by far the worst day since I've had since the implementation of the rules. And it started, I was up 3 grand when I went on stream. I was about to call it a day, but of course I didn't want to just not stream today, so because I do have to go to work early today, which is gonna suck having to work if I'm red like this. So I wish I could just scalp. I mean, this is moving so beautifully for scalping. I can't change the style right now. I just need a clean move like this. I just need a clean move like this. I want to stay consistent, hold me. Plus, you can't change your style just because you have one bad day. Like, this is my first red day in like 8 days. And it's my fault being long bias today, over trading, and using 2 types of stop losses with the high volatility and high chop. So there's no clean moves. Every move that it goes, it pulls back. It's like, you know, it does the whipsaw. If there's whipsaws, that's the best for scalping because that's how I used to scalp so well. But it's the worst for tight stop losses. Oh my goodness. Can't even get a tick in my direction. Come on, go. They trapped here. I don't want to do negative risk to reward right now. Like right now I know I just need 3 wins in a row and I'm back to green. But I just need like an explosive move. Like I should just take that because that resistance. Like I just can't get the 50 ticks, guys. I don't know what to tell you. I'm trying very hard and it's just, look how annoying it is. I mean, you could probably feel the frustration through the screen. I mean, it's the ATR in 1 minute is 14 and my 50 ticks is 12 points. I can't get 12 points. Like I get stopped out in 2 seconds. Yeah, that's Bobby true. That's very true. That's why I probably will just end the stream and just update you guys at the end. Look, it's going. It's going right there. This is exactly what I wanted. See, that's why I get so frustrated when I have I have the trades. This is the second trade in a row that I stopped out break even and would have won. Second one in a row. I'm not tilted, I'm just pissed. This is the trade this is exactly what I wanted just now. It happened. The trade was great. My execution was terrible. Setting the stop to break even. Twice in a row. Once. So imagine making 500 bucks here. I'm down $200 a day on the day. Like that's how little of a difference it is. GPT trade, that's an option. That's an option in QUANTOWER so you could see the orders. It's actually annoying. Yeah, Ricardo. Perfect. No more break-even trades. Either win or loss. I don't care. Maybe 50 ticks is just too much of a target right now. Went to the break-even thing, yeah. It's like, oh, protect your risk. Well, it's giving me more risk right now than it protects me from it. So, I know this wants to go up, but why is there so many wicks? Yeah, when you go for a bigger range and you have like, you're up 20 points in profit, then maybe, 20, 30 points in profit, you could set stop break even. But even that was, I mean, I would have won, but it was a struggle. Break even was invented for comfort zone, but it doesn't help you in the long run. I love that. It definitely is comfort zone. 100% agree. It's insane how whippy it is. Like every candle, it doesn't go up. It's doing this, and that's how it used to be last year, end of last year, and January a little bit. And that's how scalping, I was doing so well in scalping because no matter what you got in, you got that whip back. And then something happened in February or March where there was no more wicks. There's no more whips, no more wicks. It was just very clean moves, followed through, right? And that's when I stopped scalping, and then everything else, I mean, followed through with the regulation, changes with Apex. And now I'm not even thinking about scalping anymore. But I would go back to scalping right now. Maybe I should scalp maybe on ball knocks. Look at this. See, buy the dip. Buy the dip. But are we gonna retest all-time highs? That is, I'm not gonna take a trade for another at least 5 minutes. Dude, I don't even have a chart for stocks. Joe, you crazy, bro. How is ES doing? Maybe I should trade ES if NQ is so volatile. Nah. ES is so blocky, it's even worse. I want to take this, but I said I'm not going to take a trade for 5 minutes. Let's see. 58 entry. Let's see if it would have won or lost. 58. This would be the stop. Mr. Bags, yeah, I was green. I was green up. I was up 3 grand this morning. And then went on stream and just couldn't get a single trade in my direction. Every trade I got in my direction would give me 30, 40 ticks, but not 50, and it would stop me at break even. Very frustrating, but again, 3 trades away from being green on the day. It's the beauty of using stop losses. 3 trades away. Done it before. Today might not be the day, but I gotta wait for a very easy trade somehow. Definitely very tilted with all these trades, but I really thought the market was gonna do exactly this here. That's why I didn't want to miss it out, but I really think the market's gonna go back to the highs, and I'm gonna be really upset because I'm not gonna make any wins out of it because I'm not gonna time the entry, and that's like thinking of like FOMO, you know? And that's why I get in so many times. If I didn't care, if the market gets here without me, then I wouldn't care. I would just wait for the perfect setup. But that's just how trading goes sometimes. Everyone goes through it, you know? So it's not like it's just I actually share it. Most people will not share this. You know how many people I know that trade that will go silent and hide and you won't hear from them for days if you're friends with traders? When they have a day like this, they will not respond to you. They will not post anything. It's very difficult. Yeah, again, this is 3 losses. I mean 3 wins away from green. Oh, break even, break even. What do you mean there's no commissions? There's so many commissions, TV. Oh, you're talking about like trading on Thinkorswim? I think I would die trading on Thinkorswim. Okay, let's retest the lows here. I mean, the hourly looks pretty extended. Well, the only problem with TB is that I'm only short biased on small caps. So, it'll be hard for me to scalp long. Yep. I have a lot of issues with QUANTOWER today, JP. I think 3 times it happened where the brackets didn't copy, and basically what happens is when you get into a trade, the brackets don't copy, and then when you get stopped out, you could either be not stopped out on certain accounts, or you could get put in the opposite direction depending on how you got filled. It's annoying. Oh, there she goes without me. I know Relentless Trader, but what he's doing is extremely hard. Martin, I'll be taking a break from stream in June, because I have a friend coming from California for 2 weeks. He's renovating his house. My best friend, he moved to California to work for Apple, so he's flying in. Forget exactly. Second half in June into July. So I won't be streaming then. I'll just trade quickly on the open and be done. Hopefully the car is here too by then, so. That's pretty cool. I've been to Tarnów before. Been there once at my aunt's family's from there. I wish this day happened when I was already out of drawdown on most of the accounts, but since I am not out of drawdown on most of the accounts, I mean, I'm out of drawdown on like, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 accounts out of 18. Hmm. Yeah, I wish I took my profit and called it a day because I have a crazy day with work. I would have been so happy just calling it, not even streaming today. I wanted one more trade. Oh, it's a prom, Joe. This is brutal. I mean, the difference between losing and winning, I mean, break even and winning on these few trades, I mean, is insane. I mean, the PNL is basically down 200 bucks if I just win on these last two trades. These two trades right here are winners. I just stopped out break even. And there she goes without me. That's what I was afraid of. Ugh. That was my biggest fear, getting back to the highs without making any profit back. And now what? It's a trap, maybe. Do I think it's a good idea? Uh, Not really. I mean, you could do on news, but okay. Rogue Trader, you got that one right. The hourly candle is about to get engulfed though. Mm, mm, mm. Thankfully, at least I'm getting a payout from Ball Knox this Friday. Apex is still pending. Is it true Apex remove QUANTOWER access? I've not heard anything like that. Where'd you hear that? Because I'm using it. If you get negative 1500 to 1600, that just counts as a $100 day, Steven. Or 7, sorry. For 7, that just counts as a $100 day. Yeah, so that's Rhythmic. That's not Apex. QUANTOWER, you have to have the most up-to-date version on QUANTOWER. The older versions will not work with Rhythmic. And there she goes. So, tell me how yesterday, was it yesterday? I forget. How am I red longing today? You know, like longing all of this. That's what I want to know. Like, this is exactly what I wanted to see happen. It's just the stop losses got me. Oh, now it's gonna be very interesting to see what happens here at the highs. Because now taking a long is gonna be very difficult. But this is exactly the move I needed. Nasdaq has been choppy all last few days. Yesterday was choppy and then it broke out. But you know, When we have a trending day, then it's hard to have 2 trending days in a row. Rhythmic issues. I mean, I had copy trader issues. I don't know if that was rhythmic issues. I took the trades. They didn't work. I can't blame rhythmic for that, unfortunately. I wish I could, but I can't. Yeah, I've heard that. I've never had that issue. I feel like I've never ever seen a random order go through on my rhythmic. I'm happy to say that. Most people that they say it happens to, they tend to use NinjaTrader. So I don't know if that's something to do with it, but I've had positions reverse. I've had positions not stop out. I've had positions double up instead of stopping out. So I've had certain things happen, but not like randomly right now get me into a trade. Nah, Apex is not resetting accounts anymore. Or at least not today, not yesterday. A lot of people are complaining. Yeah, the ORT was nice. Yeah, Apex Discord is going crazy. Traveling, I'm not sure. I haven't had that issue, no. And plus, I don't know. I'm not on Tradeovate, so someone else could chime in. Having issues saying a little bit, but nothing major. Nothing I could. I lost maybe like $100 extra because of the issues. Is there a brand new account, Traveling Treffs? Someone said, is it possible to get dedicated servers for PA accounts? Just a suggestion. Evals are not as important, but PA should be very stable. Actually, very good suggestion. If they're going to split up the servers, split them up between PAs and evals. Every candle has a damn wick. You might as well just, I'm just going to buy a dip. Next time I see a dip, I'm just going to press the buy and take a quick scalp. Yes, JG. You can. Yeah, my payout's still pending too. DCA is the main reason. I really haven't heard many other reasons. I mean, Airboat, I mean, he gives you 4 scenarios, so it's not like he predicts. It's just exactly what he does is he gives you 4 scenarios and they all always play out. It's just knowing which scenario is going to play out. He's just, I love his content. I was just super early on the longs. I should have waited. This should have been. I don't know. Just very poor execution on my end. Had a payout pending, but you blew the account. Oof. Sorry to hear, man. That is very painful. How big was the account? Jojo, for what? Opening a ticket for what? Jojo, not until the 15th of June. 15th of June is when you could start bothering them, but until then, it could take that long. Mine is still pending too, from the first. This is actually a 1-year anniversary since my first ever payout with Apex, and it also got approved like 7 days after. Yeah, Jojo. Unfortunately, that's how it goes, but thank you. Let's see. I've not really had many issues. I had a couple stops that didn't trigger, or the stops triggered but the actual entry didn't trigger, so not all the accounts copied. So when I got stopped out, it put me into position, but I think I lost like extra $100. All the trades I took were just bad, so it wasn't, I can't blame Rhythmic for that. But again, it's 3 wins away from being green on the day, so using... It might not happen today, but... Yeah, someone suggested, I really like what they said. Someone said in the Discord to separate the PA accounts with the evaluation accounts. Keep 2 separate servers. Obviously, the PA accounts are more important. There's going to be less of them, so it'll be less traffic, and maybe that will fix it. I said I'm going to buy the dip, and I didn't. Oh, just hesitating now. Now I'm just scared to lose more. I got like 1 more trade, and then I'll be completely shut down. $1,000 pretty much after fees. I gotta go to work, and work sucks now because one of my main guys just got a job. He's like a younger guy. He got a job. So he, like, the midweek events, he's not able to get out on time. So I have to go set up for him and then go do my event and then hope he gets to that event before it starts. Damn, that was the dip right there. No one got their accounts restored yesterday, no. I mean, a lot of people are reporting ghost orders, but I mean, oh, nice. What did he get? $27, very nice. It's a good month for him. 10K subs and 27K payout. I'll be happy with 20 grand this month. Down 17, yeah. But again, when you copy trade this many accounts, you have to do them. Every $100 is $2,000. So everything gets multiplied. Hold me, this is my 1-year anniversary since getting a payout from Apex. Watch my video from June of last year. I waited 7 or 8 days for approval. I mean, it's... I don't know how you guys could look at it however you want. I know I lost a decent chunk of the drawdown on the accounts that have trailing drawdown. 7 of these accounts are way past the trailing drawdown, so it's okay. Hold on. Thinking about going for this. I wish I went long here. I was so tempted. But the second dip is never as good as the first. Because now we could be creating a tight range, and I'm not gonna get my 50 ticks again, because let's see. 11 o'clock. Doesn't the European market close? Gotta have wider risk on these days, yeah. But I was long biased, so I wouldn't be right anyway. Bigger risk wouldn't have saved me too much. I mean here, yeah, but not early on, not here. See. Wow, I gotta win. But I'm still. Oh, okay. Let's see how like there was some orders were still live. I mean, you guys can't see the orders, but yeah, 2 more trades and I'm green. It's that simple. Yeah, market garden. I'm not saying I have to get it back today. I'm just saying I need 2 more wins to get back to break even and profit on the accounts. It doesn't have to be today. It could be tomorrow. I haven't been keeping track of the stats today. It's definitely been more than 4 losses. It's been like 6. My RR is 30 stop loss, 50 take profit. So it's almost 1 to 2. Not quite, but almost. Still holding up. If we break out of this, maybe we could go. My screen setup, it's Photoshop. Like, you mean like the overlay? That's just Photoshop. Oh, rejected. See how different the day would have been if I would have won in this freaking trade. Can't believe it. The break evens killed me here. These two. Hmm. Rejection after rejection right there. I would love to see a retest of the lows. Oh man. Pablo, I can't use that box because if I were to use this box and I trade 20 accounts, this is gonna cover the screen. This is only good when you trade one account or two accounts. But once you trade like 20 accounts, this box just fills up the whole screen, right? Like this. Therefore, can't do it. I wonder if it's gonna be the same thing as last 2 days, just chop during lunch and just explode end of day. Still getting bought up, but again, wicks back and forth. Is there good news tomorrow? Yes. Big news on non-farm payroll, which is one of the biggest news at 8:30 tomorrow. It's probably even more volatile than CPI. They're not that easy to be honest. Black Wolf, the drawdown could get you so easily. Yeah, plus there might be rhythmic issues. Like for me, the 250Ks would be good because obviously days like this could happen. And having enough drawdown to kind of not even worry about a day like this is important. Back to scalping? No. Nope. I mean, I guess for some people 50 ticks is a scalp, but Nicholas, tomorrow 8:30 Eastern time, but not full porting because full port is gonna hit the drawdown for sure. Tomorrow is non-farm payroll. It's massive. Nicholas, I don't really know how I do it because I've never done it with the 250Ks. Yeah, it's a very volatile move, so it's very hard to pass. But it's the best opportunity, I guess, for me. If not, I'll just pass 250Ks tomorrow at the open, hopefully, and be back at 20 accounts. I mean, next week there's also an opportunity with PPI and CPI and FOMC for the 250Ks, but I don't know. Like, see, like scaling in to this, every pullback, scale in, scale in, scale in would be a nice, trade, I would say, if you're looking for a breakout. I would love to see a retest of the lows. I don't know why I feel so much more confident longing the lows than I am shorting the highs. I guess because we're in the bull market, but that he's fighting with people in this chat. Let's see what's going on. I don't like getting involved in drama, so I'm not gonna. Nutty versus ICT. Yeah, so once you're funded with 250K, it's not bad. It's really the funding stage that's pretty difficult. Oh my god, we're gonna fall asleep here. Moneyball Trader, yes, I have done it last week or 2 weeks ago. I forget exactly what day it was, but I did try it and it did work. It's not instant, but it does work. I was in profit though, so I was not as worried. I was in profit, I couldn't get out. Wow, this market is something else. Mm-hmm. Can we break here? Armando, you want to talk to your accountant about that? But no, it's totally two different incomes. Do I ever DCA? Not anymore, no. I stopped in February, March. Just wasn't working. It would work now, though, I think. In these conditions, DCA would work really well. Yeah, now it's just one contract. Adam, did you get denied? Or it's still pending? Oh, Adam, see, like, don't panic. That's normal. That is completely normal. Normal, normal, normal. Until you're denied, until the 15th of June, you could wait. Candlelight trading, yeah. I agree with you on that. I think they should place parameters in their accounts that would kind of help with those things. So like you could limit the amount of contracts, make a scaling plan. I don't think anyone would care about a scaling plan. Or make a, a percentage stop loss on your account. So instead of having a set max daily loss, have a percentage of the account. Let's say 50% of your account is your max loss. Or like 40%, whatever. I had a couple issues crypto, but nothing major. I mean, the problem is that companies like TopStep that put you live, they allow DCA, so I don't know what the problem is. Oh, I just jumped in there. But see, like, I don't know what just happened. I'm not in positions. Did I just lose? I don't think so. I gotta cancel my stop. And I gotta place a manual stop. I can't. I gotta. How am I gonna? Hold on, hold on. I have to manually stop out, I think. Fuck, this is gonna put me into the opposite position, isn't it? I gotta stop the copy trader. Yeah, let me stop the copy trader. This is the stressful part about trading. See, like, I don't know what just happened. I'm hoping closing all will work. I turned off the copy trader, so I shouldn't have. I just hope no orders go through once this goes up. I don't know. I closed that out, but I'm pretty sure I lost on some of those accounts because I think I was down like 400 something, not 500. I don't know. I don't know what just happened. I got in and boom, some craziest um craziest and you don't know what happens. Like legit, you can't understand what happens. Um what happened, MP? I don't know. Ask ask the market. why it's doing what it's doing. All right, let's get to the lows. Let's get to the lows. I'm on the most up-to-date QUANTOWER. That doesn't help at all. It's actually creating more issues. Am I down 9K? Yes. I'm down $500 per account. I basically risk 3 grand per trade. Yeah, I risk 3 grand per trade and looking to make 5 grand on the winner. When you do that EM, that's when you get the most issues. I would love to go to all-time highs here. No, I've always live streamed the same amount of time. And P&L usually goes all over the place, unfortunately, when you trade throughout the day. You want me not to show the P&L? Would that be better? I don't know what your question is. Would you feel better not showing the P&L? Just show one account or something? I don't know what. Yes, maybe you got to trade for 10 days. You could flip for 2 days, but not for 4. Dude, this is my first red day in 8 days. I was just up 9 grand on Monday. I was up 7 grand on Tuesday, but then I gave back half. When you trade 20 accounts, guys, the P&L is going to move. I mean, everything's multiplied times 20. Think about it. $100 is $2,000. If you're down $100, is that a big deal? No. But when you have 20 accounts, you're down 2,000. So if you're going to think that it's a big amount, then you shouldn't be trading with 20 accounts. That's what it comes down to. I'm very comfortable now with looking at this as one account. That's it. It's one account I'm trading right now. One contract. Have I been consistent with wins? No. If I was consistent with wins, I'll be very, very rich. The market is just very volatile, and a 30 tick stop loss gets me out. But then there's gonna be days where I just gotta keep pressing. Like Tom Hugard says, when you're winning, you keep pressing the damn button. When you're losing, that's when you stop. People do the opposite, you know? And I'm guilty of that. I stop when I'm green on the day like an idiot. Like, what's the point of stopping when you're green on the day when then you're just scared that you're gonna lose? Like, that's not how trading should be. If you're very green on the day, that means you have a good read on the market, and that's why you should be pressing more. I lost 120 today. My first loss in 7 days. I'm 450 away from getting my first payout. What do you mean, what should you do? What do you mean, what should you do? You just lost 120. What's the big deal? La la la. Nice bounce there. Can you flip 2 days out of the 10? Yes. I Tor, you could just. I don't know whoever told you trading is easy, but you might as well just. Yeah, Trader Bob, it's days like this where it's like so tough to predict any sort of follow through. Like, you don't want to anticipate because you could get ran over by a big dump. But if you try to wait for confirmation, it's too late. Well, then you clearly have not been listening to my stream, so you could leave now, please. If you've been watching me for a year now, you know that I've been saying trading is hard and it's never gonna get easy. It's gonna get easier, but never gets easy. It's a roller coaster. There's gonna be drawdown. There's gonna be months where we don't make money. It's gonna happen. Happens to everyone. It's my first red day in 8 days. I made this much on Monday, 1 day of work. Like then you guys question, right? Not you guys as in the whole stream. Then you guys question people on YouTube that don't post red days. Why do you think that is? It's because of people like that. They tune in one time when someone's red and they start making comments. That's what happens why they don't post, because they don't really care. They don't care enough to deal with that. So it's like they're not going to post their red days. What's the point? I've had 8 green days or 7 green days. It's my first red day, and it's gonna happen. It's normal. Tom Hugard's red on the year. My day is coming to an end quickly though because I have work. Is it true that Nutty Bar is copying your trades? And see, this is why the internet's so funny. Like, yeah, he's Nutty's sitting right next to me and he's copying my trades, you know? So dumb. People are so freaking dumb. People hate success. That's what it comes down to. People hate success. They can't see someone else be more successful than them without talking shit. That's what it comes down to. This is why all the best athletes have so much shit talking about them, because people can't accept their success. And in trading, it shouldn't be like that, because in trading, it's different. In trading, we're not competing against each other, right? It's not a competition. If I make money, it makes no difference if you're going to make money or not, right? Or if you're successful or not. Versus in sports, yeah, if there's someone better than you, then yeah, you're going to get affected. Like if you play tennis and you're good at tennis, but there's someone better than you at tennis, you're not going to win the Grand Slam, right? Someone's going to beat you because there's someone better, even though in maybe 5 years ago, you would be the best one, so you would win. In trading, it doesn't work like that. In trading, it's you versus you, and there's no one else. Like, why is there so much competition? And hate, I don't know. Well, iTour, yes, you have to follow Apex rules to get a payout. I probably would have blown an account today if not for Apex rules, so I'm not gonna complain. But iTour, you don't understand this. You don't understand the main concept of the rules. The main concept is you go somewhere else instead of bitching because you can't get a payout. Go somewhere else and get payouts and show people that you could get payouts with this prop firm, and it's going to be better than using this prop firm, and the problem is solved. I mean, I don't understand what the problem is. I trade with other prop firms. I still do. I see the difference in 20 accounts versus 3 accounts, how much I could make in payouts. I've been with someone else since the very beginning. I've been with Bullnox. I have my accounts with Bullnox for 6 months. Not really. I keep it in high yield savings. I do trade my own money too. That's another thing, Adrian. Like, yeah, you could trade your own money. I do. That's what I'm saying. Like, if you don't like something, just don't use it. Like, I don't waste my time on bitching on Take Profit Trader that they have a trailing drawdown and a maximum daily loss on their accounts. I just don't use them. If it's not needed, if there's other options, if that was the only prop firm out there and I had to use it, then maybe I could bitch. But if there's another prop firm out there or 10 of them that could fit my trading style better, then I'm going to use them. Now, what my trading style wasn't so much my trading style, is what I felt like gave me the biggest opportunity to get fast payouts. That's what it was. Dan Futures, no, you can only request payouts on Fridays. By Friday. So if you miss that Friday, you can't get a payout till following week. If I trade tomorrow, will I make make it this payout window. No, today's the first day you have to trade to make the next payout window. Today's the first day because there's a holiday in June. Stefan, I don't know. I don't know. That would not make any sense because that's completely two different markets, right? Like ES, I mean, oil is going crazy, man. Clock, I restarted. I forgot. Hold on. Let me see if I could find it. I restarted my computer, so I didn't start the. Oh, that is not it. Which app was it though? Hold on. Clock. Huh. There it is. Um, it's hard to ignore the hate noise when it's so dumb. Like, I try to explain to people in the best way possible that they have options. That's what the channel is about. It's almost like a FAQ channel. I use the snipping tool right on your Windows 11. The snipping tool has a recording option. I believe Top Step made some great progress. Um, Obviously today is my first day with Top Step, so we're not off to a good start. Um, are there any other major players using QUANTOWER? I don't really know. I don't really follow all the people. Patrick's on Tradeovate. Tanya's on TradingView. Matt's on Sierra. Nutty is on Ninja. Travis is on Tradeovate. Obviously all the Top Step people are pretty much on Top Step X. Trying to think who uses QUANTOWER. Typically, when they give you I am with AMP, but they don't give you the full license for the prop firms. No. Mm-hmm. Oof. Can we get a breakout? I don't know why I'm trading so many breakouts today, but we'll chop. I just hope it doesn't retest the EMA now and then it goes. Yeah, it's gonna do that. I really hope when it stops me out, it continues lower. Please go lower. Please go lower. Please, please. Unless it just doesn't stop me out, that would be even better. But I think it's gonna stop me out. It might retest the EMA and then go. But we're not the lows. I think if we're at the lows, then that would be. If we were making this pattern at the lows, it would be much better. No, just chop. All right, guys, this is gonna be it for the day. Win or lose, I gotta get ready for work, so I don't want to be behind. I said at the beginning of the stream, if you're tuning in, that I will be done at 12 o'clock. Maybe we'll win on this and then be down like only 5 grand. But I highly doubt it. This does not look like a breakout right now. Looks like a range. Oh, because I never noticed that. Good point, Johnny. Hold on. All right, guys, that's it for me. Did my best. Did my best I could, but unfortunately, just got destroyed today. First red day in, and it's funny because my title was talking about keeping a streak alive. Well, clearly did not. I started the stream up 3 grand, finishing the stream up down 12 grand, 13 grand. Worst day since the implementation of the rules with Apex, but it possibly saved some of the accounts, right? Today was a day that we could have just get completely destroyed and not use a stop loss, and it probably would have been worse. So, yeah, I got to work today and make some money back. Yeah, NQ is pretty bad today, so be careful. I will be around, so if I take another trade, I'll let you guys know on the community post or in my Discord, but that's only if it happens when I'm around the screen, because I'm gonna be getting ready for the gigs. So I'm still gonna be here, just I gotta work on this computer. I have a computer here for something. I gotta install a software on it and then go from there. But this chop is just not something that I should waste my energy on. And then hopefully one of these days, next week or in 2 weeks, we're gonna have $1,000 or $1,500 a day per account. All right, guys. So see you guys tomorrow. Good luck at 8:30 at non-farm payroll. Again, down like 3 losses. I mean, 3 wins. So not the end of the world. As bad as today was, it could have been a lot worse. Definitely overtraded early on. And if this works out, that's what's gonna bother me the most. Just not waiting for the right setups and chasing instead of buying the dips. Today's a price action where you gotta buy the dip because you get whipped out otherwise. Like, this is so tempting right now and I just can't take it. So I gotta shut down and go party tonight. I'm gonna party. It was such a busy week. So that actually helps with like just resetting, because I'm not gonna be thinking about trading today. I will be working, right? So when you're able to put your mind into something else, then you just forget about it and you move on. But I'm not even that upset. I'm upset with myself for the early portion. Just getting it completely wrong when the market was whippy and literally got stopped out in seconds. But other than that, not really. I mean, the break-even stops here kind of ruined the risk to reward today. Besides that, I mean, it's just the market conditions. Paul, I agree, but I guess I gotta avoid action like this then. I don't think bigger stops would have been the solution today, because I was wrong majority of the time. The break-even stops, yes, but majority of the time I was completely wrong. Like, this was all long trade, so I would have been stopped out eventually. But then I would have to have a bigger target, and Guys, I think starting Monday, starting tomorrow, I'm gonna show one account. I think this, I don't understand. Gabriel, it's 20 accounts. What do you mean what happened? I lost $600 per account. Do the math. You guys can't do the math, apparently, sometimes. You think $600 loss is that big? Ask yourself a question. And these accounts are doubled. These accounts like have like $15,000 in drawdown. So people are just, sometimes I love Gabriel too though, so it's fine. I'm just venting on Gabriel at this point, but negative 25K if you have 20 accounts. That's not even that bad either, unless you have 10 accounts. uh Pips Hunter, I saw the coupon yesterday. Mobile 25, I think. Mobile 25, like the mobile phone, because I think they made the Top Step X mobile friendly, I think. No, it's just Gabriel's a regular here, so I'm just like, I don't like questions like that because it's obvious on the screen. Like it's like I don't know what to tell you guys. Like if I would have showed $645 loss, it would have been fine. But since I showed $12,000 loss, it's not fine. But you gotta understand, I'm trading pretty much maximum amount of accounts. I'm just pissed off at myself. Shiba. I would go long, but I can't. Hmm. Just bad timing on my end, and it's just overlapping candles. This is, it's funny. It's funny because if you watch my old videos, you're gonna hear me talk about overlapping candles. How much I love overlapping candles. Okay, overlapping candles are the really really good reason to scalp, because no matter where you get in on the candle, as long as you buy the dip, it's gonna pull back because it's gonna be a range. Um, and that's what I used to scalp so well. And then the market completely changed in February or March. I don't remember exactly. It became more trendy. There was no overlapping candles. There was a lot of fair value gaps, and it was just harder to scalp. And now it's back to scalping markets, at least this week. Paul, I can't do that because the copy trader would not be able to handle all these accounts with micros. If I take 7 micros per account, the QUANTOWER is gonna poop itself. There's just no hell. There's no way it's gonna handle all those contracts. I don't even know how many contracts that is. How do you hide live feed notifications? You're gonna go to the toolbar on the top right next to the settings, there's like a little chat window. You're gonna click that and then go to settings in the chat window. And then these settings will pop up. And just turn this off. That's simple. Just buy the dip. Buy the dip. Buy the freaking dip. Not the breakout. There's no breakouts. There's no follow through. Buy the dips. You're gonna survive. All right, guys. 12 o'clock. I gotta go to 2 venues. I gotta do 2 setups. Because one of my employees, he graduated college and now he's got a job. So he's got to work during the week. So during the week, the events are a pain. Because I don't have anyone that doesn't work during the week anymore. Alright, guys. Take care. And I'll see everyone tomorrow. We'll do it again. Tough day, but started good. I almost called it a day, too. I said it to my friend. I'm like, I might be done for the day. I was up 3 grand. I knew I had to be done early today. After break-even day yesterday, I think it would have been a good stop. But these are the balances, by the way. So still green on the accounts. Yeah, Gabriel, hopefully. Tomorrow I could stream longer. Tomorrow I could stay on till like 2 o'clock, so. So how about this? We'll do all the giveaways tomorrow as well, because I got more giveaways to do for the 20K subs. So let me forget, because I totally forgot about that today. Alright, guys. At least the market come down as well. Yeah, spam me tomorrow. I wanna do the giveaways tomorrow. Take care, guys, and thanks for understanding my frustration today. Sorry about venting, but again, this is part of the game, and this is why a lot of people like to just hide when they lose, because it's very difficult. I like to vent out. I'm more loud when I lose. I feel like it lets me get through it, like I'm okay now, and I don't really care anymore. Because again, I know that this is just 2-3 wins in a row. Maybe tomorrow we'll have 2 wins, and then Monday, Tuesday we'll have a couple more wins, and we'll be back on track, and just keep going. Yeah, I know, Ghost Bear, but unfortunately today I don't have a choice. Like today I don't have a choice. I have to go. I gotta go make some money. Trust me, guys. The money I'm gonna make today or this week makes it worth it. Okay. This is also why I trade part-time, and I'll never quit DJing. I don't want to rely on trading as my income. Trading is fun income. That's the fun part. It's for investing. It's for toys. It's for hobbies. And obviously whatever's left over is going to be for investing, but it's not for my primary expenses. Have I ever gotten a payout from Apex? Yeah, like 300,000. It's actually my 1 year anniversary for my first ever payout from Apex. June of 2023. I took out like 290,000, I think, from Apex. So it's been a good year. And most of it has been this year, so that's even better. All right, guys, I gotta go. It's 12:15. Alpine goodbyes are just way too long. Tight range again. All right, guys. I will talk to everyone tomorrow. Diary of Future Trader. I don't recall. This is the all-time highs price action. I think my strategy is gonna do a lot better in bearish markets. Not even like, actual oh, where's our friend that was saying that we're gonna be entering the recession? Where is he now? um all right, guys. Unfortunately it didn't work out today. Nothing too bad, just chop. All right, guys. I will talk to you tomorrow. Adios. Have a great rest of your day. Non-farm payroll tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. I think that's what the market's waiting for.